FlutterFlow Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll review the FlutterFlow Mobile App Development Platform, and I've included links to the product in the description below. FlutterFlow is a powerful no-code platform that enables developers and non-developers alike to create fully functional mobile applications for both Android and iOS. What sets it apart from other no-code platforms is its seamless integration with Google's Flutter framework, which makes it both accessible for beginners and still powerful enough for experienced developers. The platform offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality, allowing you to design app screens quickly. You can customize your UI, add complex animations, and integrate APIs effortlessly. FlutterFlow also has a robust set of pre-built widgets and templates to accelerate development, and you can preview your app in real time as you build. What I found particularly useful was its back-end capabilities. It offers built-in Firebase integration for databases, authentication, and cloud functions, so you can set up your app's backend without writing a single line of code. FlutterFlow is designed for a wide audience, from hobbyists and entrepreneurs looking to create apps without a development background, to professional developers who want to speed up their app building process. If you're a non-technical user, you can still build a fully functional app, and if you're a developer, the platform lets you export your project's code for further customization. One of the biggest strengths of FlutterFlow is its collaboration features. You can invite team members to work on your project, making it a great tool for development teams. Plus, the platform allows you to export your app to Android and iOS, and it even offers the ability to deploy your app directly to the app stores. In conclusion, FlutterFlow is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build mobile apps quickly and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer. The platform's combination of no-code design tools, powerful back-end capabilities, and export options makes it a solid solution for mobile app development.